Today I figured I'd have a look at what the Creality Scan Otter looks like when looking in the infrared spectrum. To do that, I have a modified DSLR here that has removed the normal IR filter from the sensor, and instead I have an IR pass filter on it, so it blocks all visible light. You can see it's completely black, but it lets through all the infrared wavelengths. I will switch to record from a DSLR instead of a mobile phone, because this one can see the infrared being projected from the scanner, but this mobile phone cannot. So the rest of the video will be using this camera. As you can notice, the colors look a bit weird, but that's because we're blocking almost all the visible light with this filter on the camera sensor. But let's see what happens if we start a scan. And we select the large mode, hit start. It's flickering quite a bit, but let me see if I can adjust the focus. And if we zoom in, we can see what the camera is actually projecting. It's a little bit difficult to focus, so bear with me. There we go. You can see all the tiny dots that's being projected. So that is basically what the cameras on the Otter is capturing to create the point cloud. And this is in the large mode, but for the smaller and medium mode it switches to the different projector instead. And here I can show you how it looks in medium and small mode. I moved closer to the background here so that the projected image is sharp. So if we start a scan here, like so, you can see it starts projecting a circle. And if we zoom in on this, and just to focus, you can see it's pretty much the same, but the points are much denser and smaller. If we go a little bit closer, sorry about the flickering, that's part of it. You can see how detailed all these small points really are. So that's why you get a higher resolution in most modes, because the points are super small. And here is the Otter in the large mode. So you can see I can barely get a picture of the device because it's projecting everywhere basically in the front. And this is on the medium and small setting. The projecting is much more narrow, as you can see. And this is what it looks like in marker mode. So you can see the infrared lights being projected also to be able to track the marker positions. So that was all from this little video. I hope someone will find it interesting. Until next time.